Do you struggle how to introduce yourself? Actually, introducing yourself is one of the most important communication skills in life. Whether you are at school, you are a student, or you are a teacher, whether you are a job in an interview, a new workplace, or even a social event, knowing how to introduce yourself clearly and confidently is essential. Here's a simple structure to follow, just 7 steps. First step, greetings. Start with your greeting. Begin with a polite and friendly greeting that suits the situation. According to the situation, you have to greet in morning from early morning to 12 o'clock. You have to say good morning, and at 12 o'clock you have to say good noon. After 12 o'clock, from 12 o'clock to evening approximately 5 o'clock. From 5 o'clock to onwards, in evening time, you have to say good evening. These are greeting phrases, and in greeting time you have to use hello everyone, hi, hello, these words. Then after completing greetings, introduce your name. Then it's time to say your name. State your name clearly. Say your full name or first name depending on formality with a smile and confidence. Example like, my name is Debajani Sahu, or you can also say I am Debajani, or you can also introduce like, this is Debajani. But here I want to show you, don't use myself. Okay, don't use myself. It's grammatically incorrect because myself is a possessive pronoun. So after possessive pronoun, you can't use a noun. Okay. Then second, tell about your location. Tell your location. It's actually optional, but if you say where are you from, this helps people connect with you more easily. Like, I am from Jagatsinghpur, Odisha. Originally, I am from Cuttack, but currently live in Jagatsinghpur. You can also say, I am from Jagatsinghpur, or I belong to Jagatsinghpur. Then say your background. Depending on the setting, you might include your class and school for students, or for professionals, your degree or job experience, depending upon situation. If you are a student, for example, I am a student of class 7 at OAV Dua. For professional, you can say, I have a degree in science and have worked in a school for 2 years. In another way, you can say your educational qualification, like, I am pursuing BSc, or I am doing my BSc in physics, I am graduate in BSc. I have done my BSc in mathematics or physics. Any subject you can add here. Presently I am doing BSc. Okay. Then highlights your skills or interest or your hobbies. Okay. Briefly say something about what you are good at or passionate about. What's your hobby? Okay. I'm talking my hobbies. Apart from teaching, I enjoy reading, storytelling, and stitching. In my free time, I like to listen to motivational speeches and explore nature. I make motivational subliminal manifestation videos on YouTube. State the purpose if relevant. If it's necessary, then you can say the purpose. This is useful in interviews or presentation. For example, suppose you can also say, I'm here today to apply for the post of digital science, or I joined this class to improve my spoken English. The last step is close politely. End your introduction with a thank you for a polite closing. Examples: thank you for this opportunity, or that's a little about me. Looking forward to knowing you too. Thanks for listening. Okay, you can use these phrases, these sentences. Lastly, I want to tell you bonus tips. Okay, when you introduce yourself, you smile and it creates a friendly atmosphere. Speak clearly, don't rush. Let your words be clear. Keep it short, 30 to 60 seconds is enough. In most cases, maintain eye contact, especially in face to face settings. Be honest and natural. Don't try to impress, just express. Here is a sample introduction for a teacher person. Okay. Good morning everyone. I am Debajani Sahu, a science teacher from Cuttack. I currently work at Baba Vidyadhar High School, Rahana, and have 2 years of experience in teaching classes 8 to 10. I hold a bachelor's degree in science. I am passionate about making science engaging and helping students think creatively. Outside of class, I enjoy writing and gardening. Thank you. That's a little about me. If you are a student, you can introduce like, good morning, my name is Debajani. I am from Jagatsinghpur, Odisha. I study in class 7 at Oevidua. I love reading books and playing badminton. I want to become a doctor in the future. Thank you. That's a little about me.